Hello and welcome. Hi, Maria. Hello. Hi.
There we go.
There we go. I'm hearing someone. Yep. Yeah. Who am I hearing?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Who is that? Where are you?
Got Constantine, but I can't, for some reason, my picture isn't there. Wait a minute.
Well, that means that your computer is not connected to your camera. It means that we won't see you, but you should be able to see us.
Oh, here we are. Wait a minute. Hang on. There we go.
Yes, we can see you, but Konstantin, I'm going to mute you now because everyone is muted. Otherwise, there will be a mess. Yeah. Okay, great. Welcome. Welcome. We still have new people joining us. That's fantastic.
Oh, hi.
Hey, Barbara. Hello. I'm going to mute you as well. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, great to see you. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Welcome, everyone. Yes. Right. And we have our chat open. Yes. Do you have your chat open? Have your chat open, because that's how you can all talk to each other, chat with each other when these sessions happen. Right. And we will start. So today's treat is a popular Russian song that most of people from my generation, from my country know. And it's something that our grandmothers and our mothers used to sing. And sometimes still when we come together with, people of my generation from former Soviet Union, we sing this song. It has a little twist in the melody. It's rhythmically not very straightforward. Let's see how we can get through it together. And please tell me if anyone knows the song. Anyone, any native Russians here? Anyone who knows lots of Russian songs? You've seen the file, yeah? Anyone? Give me a wave, you know the song. Anyone knows the song? No. Right, let's go to the song. Now, there are many different ways how the song was published and how it was rhythmically broken into bits, into bars. So if I sing it with a slight variation, as always, just do what you can. If you sing a couple of notes differently to me, fine. And this is, of course, not the key. You can see it's quite high. This is not the key where we are singing, but it'll be lovely when we get to the end of it. It's about love and being shy. La 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 la. How is that? And again together. We'll sing that phrase a few times. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. Yes, let me see your faces. See if anyone is puzzled. I know. I think we will spend a bit more time on looking at on the tune today than in other songs, because it is a bit twisty, but it's fun. The whole thing about it is that it's not regular. Oh, sorry. So it's like that, right? Let's go slowly. I sing a phrase, you sing it back. Just the music. 1 and 2. Let's go. I sing. Okay, let's go together slowly from the beginning. 2, 3. La 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 la. How is that? Do it one more time. Let me see you. One more time. Yeah, maybe 2 more times. Okay. Let's go to our file sharing. I already see 50 people present at this session. That's fantastic. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. So let's go again from the beginning. That's our first note. 2 and 3. La 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 more time, and again. La 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 la. Let me see you. Is that okay? Let's see if we can sing it without looking at music, eh? Ah, yes, no? Natasha, I see you're playing guitar. We're in B minor. Okay, we're in B minor. Let's try without music, eh? Let's try. I'll try to show you. I also know a slightly different variation. Let's go. 2 and 3. La 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 la. Yes, no? Okay, right. Okay, I'm going to the second phrase. Let's look at it. So I will sing the first phrase all the way through. Sing with me, and then we'll switch to the next one. 1, 2, from the top. La 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 2, 3. La 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 la. Okay. So I'm going from the first bar on the second line where it says, basically your second note, where it says pomorgает, yeah? Da, 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 that phrase where it goes into 3/4. Listen, and now. La 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 la. Right, twisty? From the same place, let's go. La 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 la. Right? Let me see. We have a few more people. A few more people joined us. 54. Welcome. Yes. How good is that? Now let's sing the whole verse together. I'll show you the music. And we will sing the whole verse maybe a couple of times. From the beginning, let's go. La 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 2, 3. La 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 la. Okay, and one more time straight away. How are you coping? I see very focused, very serious faces. And I can also see on Neil's background, it's a Pyatnitsky choir soloist, isn't it? We have one of our regular attendants here who puts lovely pictures every time on his background. Have a look, Neil. So from the beginning again, let's go. La la la. And la 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 la. All right, let me see. How are you feeling? I'm unmuting you.
Good. Good. Good.
Interesting way. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely.
Yes, I was hoping not to hear any. Oh, so I didn't hear any of that. So we are okay. Let's sing our verse one more time to be sure. I will carry on to chorus and sing chorus with me. La la la. It's easier. Okay. Let's share my screen. Share my screen. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, together. La 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 So let's look at our chorus. It's just one note before the double line on your third line. of music. See that? Big jump, ta 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 ta. Okay, I'll sing it from there. Sing with me if you can. Let's go. Da 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 See, I know a totally different variation. I'm sorry. Da 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 da. Chorus one more time. Sorry about that. Again. Da dee da 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 Let's go from the very beginning all the way to the end. I think I heard someone singing. Am I right? Was an extra voice, no? Everyone is mute. Yeah, we are fine. We are good. Let's go back. Let's sing all the way through, and then text. We need to sing it with text. It's just so funny and so naive and beautiful. From the beginning, let's go. La, 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 and we go back to the beginning. Let me see how you feel. You're smiling? Come on, give me a smile. Some of you look puzzled. Yeah, I think it's good to sing non-square phrases sometimes. And you know what this composer Zakharov did? He tried to mix folklore, which is very irregular. It can be really, really irregular if it's not a dance song. Very kind of different rhythm. Every phrase goes with text rather than text going with music. So different number of syllables per phrase, different number of beats per bar, right? And I think there was that folklore element, and text is also very simple, very folk-like, but it's more like fake-lore rather than folklore. You know, Pyatnitsky choir, it went straight from the Tsarist times into Soviet Union, and it had an order to sing people's music. So Zakharov, who was the conductor for quite a few years, 20-something years, he was the conductor of that choir, he brought his own songs, and he asked Isakovsky, also a very known name to us Russians, he is a poet who wrote lots of lyrics to lots of different texts, to these songs that became almost like folklore. They combined these things, they made them understandable to big masses and engaging, but not folklore, which was much more sophisticated. So we have that interesting twists in the melody. So let's go back to our melody, sing the tune one time through, one more time, just so we know it, okay? Let's go. La, 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 da, 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 Let's look at it. Yeah, let's look at it. I'll show you the text for now. Let's look at this. And as usual, I say a line, you say it back. I say a line, you say it back. And I'll probably translate the whole verse to you after we've done one verse. Let's go. I say it in the rhythm of the song. Listen. На закате ходит парень. Let's go together. На закате ходит парень возле дома моего. Let's go together. Возле дома моего. Okay? Right? Let's sing these two, eh? Let's sing these two. На закате at sunrise, sunset, ходит, walks around, парень, young guy, возле, near, around, дома is house, моего, my. So young guy walks around my house at sunset. Okay, let's go slowly together. Let's see if we can do it. I'll show you the music. Let's go from here. And slowly. На закате ходит парень возле дома моего. Okay, we will come back to this. Let's look at our third line in the text. Third line, listen and then speak. Поморгает мне глазами. Together, let's go. Поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. Let's go together. И не скажет ничего. It's quite tricky, this text. I know, lots of consonants. If you don't speak any Russian, it can be tricky. Blah, 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 whatever you can say, right? And you can always do la 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 with us. So, поморгает, does that winks to me, мне, глазами with his eyes, и не скажет, and doesn't say ничего, nothing. He doesn't say anything. Поморга, let's go from that phrase. You're looking at your second line. There is a bar with 4-4, and the first note on that bar is ending of our first phrase, and then you see поморга. That's where we're going from. Let's go 2 and 4, and поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. One more time, slower. I think I'm running a bit too fast. Pa, let's go. Поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. Right? We will bring these two lines together from the beginning. I think showing you music is better for this, for now, yeah? What do you think? Yeah, showing you music. So let me show you music. Hopefully you can read your text from here. Let's go. 1, 2, slowly. На закате ходит парень возле дома его. Поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. Yeah, let me come back to your faces, see what's let me unmute you. Oh, any signs? Oh. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, yeah, I see more focus in your faces today. That's good. Good for a change, right? So let's do it one more time. Yeah, one more time. Same thing. Yeah, fantastic. 1, 2, 3. На закате ходит парень возле дома моего. Поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. Yes. Right. Yeah, good. So we are coming to our chorus, which is just you sing your heart out. Let's see. So here is our text. The last two lines. Now listen, the last line will repeat 3 times, yeah? So we are now on the one before last line on verse 1. И кто? Listen. И кто его знает? Let's go. И кто его знает? Чего он моргает? Чего он моргает? Чего он моргает? И is and. Кто? Who? его знает. Who knows that? It's a Russian expression. It's not like who knows him. It's who knows, God knows. Чего, why, он, he, моргает. Why is he winking? Looking at me so much, you know? Do we know? Do we know? It's love, isn't it? He's just shy. Right, okay. So let's go back to our music and sing that chorus together. И кто его? You see it? Double line. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right in the middle of your score. That's your third line. Last bar. И кто? Let's go slowly. And и кто его знает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает. Let's go one more time. И кто? И кто его знает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает. We're going to bring the whole verse together. Let's go from the beginning. На закате ходит парень возле дома моего. Поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. А кто его знает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает. Right, let me see you, let me see you, let me see you. Unmuting you.
It's lovely.
Good,
Yeah,
it's good.
beautiful.
Okay.
Good.
Nice little song.
Hard work's good.
I know it's hard work. You know, I try to vary things. So sometimes it's very simple. Sometimes there's a bit of a twist. Yes. Plus, we have lots of professionals, semi-professionals, choral singers here in the group. I think it's good to do something like that for them. Now, let me see what's happening in the chat so I don't miss anything important. If there are any questions that need urgent answers, you better wave to me like this. Anything urgent? Because I will only read your chat afterwards. No, oh yes, you're so disciplined today. Wonderful. L'chaim to that. Did anyone bring any drinks? Oh, come on. That's my brandy. That's it. Keep well. So, and I see quite a few new people today who joined us for the first time. Thank you very much. Lovely, lovely to see you. It's good to yes, great. Let's go back to our verse, sing that verse maybe a couple of times, yeah? What do you think? Okay. And after we've done it, remind me to go over the rest of the text with you. Let's see if we can do, at least translate some of it and talk about it. Let's go. На закате ходит парень возле дома моего. Поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. А кто его знает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает. One more time from the beginning. На закате ходит парень возле дома моего. Поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. А что кто его знает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает. Yep. How was that?
Good.
That's good. Now, tell me in the chat if it feels as a folk song or if it feels a composed. That's, to me, it's somewhere in between, but I lived in Russia, you know, I absorbed these songs. So does it sound folk to you? Does it sound popular? Does it sound like any other Western music? Yeah, it's very interesting. So, oh, you rather talk about drinks, I can see. Yeah, tricky to fit the first word in chorus. How would you pronounce the first word in the chorus? Кто его знает? Is that it, Rebecca? Кто? Yeah, I hope that was it. So let's just see what the rest of the song says. It's just very naive and simple, and you can see why these songs were promoted to the big masses in Soviet Union, you know, in the 30s and 40s and Stalin times, bang on, you know. Zakharov was very much kind of establishment and respected by Stalin. He was really lucky. So it's one of these interesting characters in Russian musical history. So, second word. Now you can read it with me. I won't go line by line. I'll read it. We may sing a couple more verses, maybe not, and we'll just speak about what it means. Как приду я на гулянье, он танцует и поет. When I come to a party, I see him dancing and singing. Опростимся у калитки, отвернется и вздохнет. And when we say goodbye to each other at the gate, he turns away and he sighs. И кто его знает, чего он вздыхает, чего он вздыхает, чего он вздыхает. And who knows why he sighs, yeah? А вчера, let me read you the third verse. We unlikely will sing it, so I'll just do it quickly. А вчера прислал по почте 3 загадочных письма. В каждой строчке только точки. Догадайся, мол, сама. Yesterday he sent me by post 3 very strange letters, mysterious letters. In every line there are just dots and dots and dots. Full stops or dots. Догадайся, мол, сама. You can guess for yourself, he says. И кто его знает, на что намекает, and who knows what is he hinting about, намекает, yeah? And in the last verse, which we are not likely to sing, she says, I did not want to guess, and I don't want don't even hope and don't wait for me to guess. But my heart is beating hard in my chest and melting, and I don't know why my heart is melting. Why is it melting? It's just, you know, that feeling. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah. So here is what we will do. I suggest we do this. I sing La 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 with you one time through, so still some of you get used to the tune a bit more. Then I will keep my sheet on the my screen on the music. We will sing the first verse, and then I will go to text and I will sing the second verse with text. Those for Russian speakers, if you want to do it with me, do it with me. The rest of you can go la 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 la. Okay. Now I also like to speak through the Russian text because some of you I know like to get it right, and because there is a video on YouTube of every session, you can go back to it, slow it down and listen and go over the text again, okay? So, to our song, Folklore and Folklore. People's music, this is. Let's go. La, 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 вздыхает, чего он вздыхает, чего он вздыхает. Ла-ла-ла. И кто его знает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает. Okay, let's stop for a minute. I'm unmuting you.
Lovely.
Lovely.
That's great.
Lovely.
Good.
Okay, good,
Beautiful.
good,
Lovely.
good.
Not as hard as I thought.
Super.
I know this is not the easiest song, but you know it's good. Now I would like to read. I'll read your comments later. There's so much happening here. So there are. Yesterday we figured out that you can save chat. If you see interesting comments, if you just want to save it for yourself, you haven't had time to read it. Somebody said there is a dot on top of your. Can you please give each other instructions how to save it? I see it as a file. It saves on my computer automatically. Leslie, I think you told everyone how to do it. There are 3 dots there on the bottom of my page, and it says save chat. Sometimes there are interesting comments, good links, and all sorts of things. If you need to contact me directly and it's not there in the chat, and I have no other way of connecting with you, write in a comment or write on my website there is a contact page on my website, and I'll get back to you, okay? Now, I need to announce our concert the day after tomorrow. It will be with Oleg Timofeyev. It will be as long as these usual sessions, and he will play Russian 7-string guitar from Iowa in America, and I will sing a couple of Yiddish songs. So it will be Yiddish, klezmer Yiddish, and Russian again, both together. He might play something klezmer. He plays klezmer music as well. So now I'm going to take a sip, and we will sing this whole song one more time, as we did just now. Is that okay? Yeah, I hope that's okay. Let's go. Right. Blast it out, blast it out. It's one of these songs that needs a big voice and a big soul. Let's go with text. На закате ходит парень возле дома моего. Ой, поморгает мне глазами и не скажет ничего. И кто его знает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает, чего он моргает. Second verse. Как приду я на гулянье, он танцует и поет. А простимся у калитки, отвернется и вздохнет. И кто его знает, чего он вздыхает, чего он вздыхает.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Oh.
So we coped okay with that complexity. So, you know, I'm thinking about what to bring you in the next run of 10 sessions. So there will be a short break after our concert. So Yiddish song tomorrow, concert with Oleg Timofeyev, the guitarist, the day after, the 16th, 17th, and possibly the 18th. I'll take a break for 2 days. Otherwise, I need to go shopping. And then we'll start. There'll be a run of 10 sessions and announce them which song goes when on my website. So keep connected. You can dance and stand up. See you again. Thank you very much. Keep well. Bye.